How much does an electrician make in Austria? The average electrician income in Austria is around 51,800 US dollars a year. That's the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, you take home 34,200 US dollars, which brings home roughly 2,850 US dollars a month. While that's the national average, electrician salary in Austria is usually higher in big cities like Vienna, where take-home pay reaches 38,800 US dollars after tax. Living outside Vienna means lower electrician wages, but lower expenses often balance it out. On top of that, your starting electrician pay sits well below this average, though it goes up quickly as you gain skills. You don't need a university degree to start, but getting advanced technical certifications helps you move up. Because of that extra education, you can step into higher paying positions like electrical supervisor or site manager. Finally, small local firms pay less, whereas large international companies offer much higher electrician income.